guys, welcome to another vlog. My name is Claudia. What's for this one is here. Returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming to support Claudia Walks. Nakuja. There's some people who are calling me over there. So I'm confused. Do I have to go on this side or do I have to go back and check those guys? Anyway, let's go and let's go onto the other side and interact with those men. They are calling me actually. So I'm going to ask them a question, like which country is the capital city of Africa? Like which country is the capital of Africa? So let me go onto the other side and let's hear their views. I know you're gonna love this. This will be one of the amazing videos because I know most of people don't know that Africa has no capital. So let's go. Niko hapa. Poa sana. Claudia Walks. Tuko pale kwa YouTube. Claudia Walks. Tuna vlog, tuna interact na nyinyi, tunacheka, tuna hopa.
Ni JC.
Mini vlog tu. Mini vlog tu, tuna showcase Africa to the world. Yeah. Mungu asalimie, waambie hi. Hi. Waona? Wako hapa na waona.
Wako wapi?
Tuko hapa. So I have a question for you. Which country do you think is the capital city? Is the capital of Africa? Yeah? Capital of Africa. Kenya. Oh my God, Kenya. To go Kenya. Which country do you think is the capital of Africa?
Africa is the continent, my friend.
Africa is a continent, so there is no capital of Africa. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Oh, why are you running, my friend? For YouTube, pale kwa YouTube, Claudia Walks.
Yes?
Claudia Walks pale kwa YouTube.
Claudia?
Claudia Walks. Claudia Walks. Ile kutembea. Kama uko na simu naweza kukutaipia hapo.
Taipia nani?
Waandike tu mahali. What bro? Which country do you think is the capital of Africa? Nairobi. Nairobi is the capital of Africa. Oh, thank you so much. My name is Claudia. We are showcasing Africa to the world. I'm on YouTube. Tuko pale kwa YouTube. Najita Claudia Walks. Claudia Walks. Nasema wewe mwenyewe utajiona pale kwa YouTube Claudia Walks. Ni mzuri, inakuanga mzuri. Alafu si nimekusalimia, watu watakuwa karibu. Haya poa. Pia na wewe. CM TV. So guys, let's keep on walking and we hear from Kenyan people which which is the capital of Africa. Hi mommy. Uko poa? Mbona ulikuwa na smile na unismile sasa? Sawa. So let's go on to the other side. We interact with more people. Yeah? Ui. Nataka kuniuliza kitu. Haya, sandeni. Haya, mtajiona hapo. Let's keep on walking. Let's go. We use this route, right? Hi. How are you? Which country do you think is the capital of Africa? Ni sawa, tutaongea pia. Haya, which is the capital of Africa?
Kiswahili.
Ni capital. Oh my. Hey, you know. Which is the capital of Africa? My God, come tell them. I'm here with you. Oh, tunene. Can you tell them? They are watching. They are watching. Which is the capital of Africa? Yeah. Is it Nairobi? Is it Kenya? Is it Rwanda? Burundi? Tanzania? Huh? Nairobi. This guy loves their own country, man. Anyway. Anyway, I'm Claudia. What's calling for YouTube? Sawa?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Guys, what do you think? Which country do you think is the capital of Africa? Comment down below. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about that. I'm coming live from this beautiful street. And for those who are new here, I'm back. I'm back to the streets like I never left, man. Hey, how are you? You're looking good.
You too.
Can I take a picture with you? I'm Claudia, what's on YouTube? Okay. Which country do you think is the capital of Africa?
Kenya.
Kenya.
254.
254. Oh, this country, man. Hey, Kenyan people love their own country.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you so much.
Welcome.
I'm Claudia, works on YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, too much noise, guys, but you have to bear with me. Too much noise. Oh my God. Let's go, let's go. Hi, mommy. Can I take a picture with you? Oh my God. The way you're looking cute. You're beautiful. Which country do you think is the capital of Africa? You don't know. You can choose one country in Africa. Maybe. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You are calling there.
What's calling me? You want to appear? You want to be? No, no, no. We are asking which country do you think is the capital of Africa?
South Africa.
Oh, okay. Let me. People are watching. We are live. We are live. Which country do you think is the capital of Africa?
No, it cannot be Kenya, no.
Okay. Which country do you think?
South Africa.
South Africa.
Kenya, no, 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 no.
Why not Kenya?
Kenya pure kabisa.
Oh my God. This is so amazing. This is so crazy. Kenya pure kabisa. Okay. But that's how people think here. Let me know what's your view. What do you think? I'm just happy. Wow. I'm waiting for those vehicles to pass so that I can cross on the other side. So bear with me. Stay here, don't go anywhere, and subscribe. Beautiful, beautiful streets. Now we can go. Oh my God, there is a motorbike. It's okay. Now we can follow. Hey! Okay. Now we can use this route now. Hi. How are you doing? You're looking so good, man. Thank you. Come I ask you a question. Which country do you think is the capital of Africa?
Actually, South Africa.
No, I'm asking which country do you think is the capital of Africa?
Capital of Africa.
Yes.
In South Africa.
South Africa. Oh, that's amazing. Yay.
That's true.
Hey, amazing. Okay, you
Anaitwa Hannes. He's a good guy.
Hi, Hannes.
A friend of mine.
You're looking good, Hannes. Hannes is shy on the camera, but anyway, let's keep on going. Let's keep on walking around. I'm so excited. I'm happy. These people are making me. Hi, you guys, you're looking good. Do you want to answer one of the questions I'm asking people on the street? Why? Yeah. I'm a YouTuber. Yes. I'm Claudia Walks. Yes. Okay. So let's keep on walking around. Oh, sorry. So let's go use this street. I know it's a busy street, but you can use to pass here. Hi. How are you doing? Which country do you think is the capital of Africa? Okay. Okay, let me come near. I don't know whether it's clear enough because of the star. Which country do you think is the capital of Africa?
Which country?
Huh?
Which country? Which country?
Which country do you think is the capital of Africa?
South Africa.
South Africa?
Yeah,
Why do you think it's South Africa? So that's why it's the capital of Africa.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yeah. I can see you guys. South Africa is winning. South Africa is winning. Yeah, ni wengi sana. And
a lot of mining. Hata wazungu wenyewe wakaangalia wakasema hata hii watu kupeleka South Africa.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, sawa sawa. Thank you so much. Naitwa Claudia Walks pale kwa YouTube. Claudia Walks.
Claudia Walks.
Eh. Sawa sawa, thank you. So guys, let's keep on walking. I think we should use this route. Now the sun is out and hot. So the sun is out and hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing good.
You are doing good?
Yes.
Which country do you think is the capital of Africa?
Is Kenya.
Kenya is the capital of Africa?
Yes.
Tusonge pale kidogo.
Kuja.
Simama tu hapo.
Hapa ndio ona gari yetu.
Ona gari yenu.
Yes.
Sawa sawa. Why do you think Kenya is the capital of Africa?
Because it has beautiful girls. You see? Yes.
My God. Nini ingine, what else?
Kenya kuna the East and Central Africa. The largest mall iko hapa.
It's in Kenya.
It's in Kenya. BBS Mall is the largest.
Yes.
Central and East Central.
In East Central Africa.
Yeah.
Oh my God. So the mall is the one which makes Kenya to be the capital of Africa.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so amazing.
Our big beaches, you see?
You have beaches also in Kenya.
Mombasa, you see? Yeah, and many things.
And many things.
Yeah.
We want now to hear the many things now. What are the many things now?
Like wild animals.
Wild animals.
Yes.
What else?
Look, our matatu like this one.
Oh,
you see?
matatu vibe.
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
And what else?
And ETC.
And ETC.
Yes.
And these we are hustlers.
You are hustlers.
Yeah. And our roads, you see?
Oh, our roads are beautiful.
Yeah, they are in good conduct.
Okay.
See? Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome.
I'm Claudia Walks. They call me Jamaican Girl on YouTube. YouTube Claudia Walks.
And me, my name is Adija Palma, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Adima.
My name Dan Kiwa. Kwa YouTube. Kwa Facebook. Nanipata hapo.
Tatupata hapo. Uko YouTube pia? Wow. What's your name? What's your YouTube name?
Dan Kiwa.
Dan Kiwa?
Dan Kiwa.
I will follow you.
What about you?
I'm Claudia Walks. Claudia Walks.
Claudia Walks.
Walks, ile ya kutembea.
Na nilikuona mahali.
Umeniona mahali?
Mahali nimekuona.
Thank you so much.
I wish I could see that video on YouTube.
You will see it.
True?
Yes, go subscribe to Claudia Walks. Today you will see the video. Today or tomorrow I'll upload it.
Okay.
Nitaenda kuangalia.
Sawa sawa, asanteni.
Asante, karibu.
Oh, you guys, those are the views we are getting from the streets. And people are so amazing. Hi bro. Those guys are looking at me and I had to greet him. But anyway, I'm so excited. Let's keep on walking. Oh, I also need to be careful. I also need to be careful because, you know, the street, maybe they are not safe. I don't know. Oh, the vibe. Oh my God. if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed and don't know what you're waiting for, I don't know whether you can hear me well because of the noise. The streets are so busy, noisy. Yeah. Hi.
Nakuamini aje?
Vlog what's up?
Brown skin, mambo.
So guys, Hi. I'm back. Well, my friend, do say hi before you point your friend. Why are you so shy? Hi, mommy.
Hi.
You are looking good. Today you have a nice smile, man.
Thank you.
Oh, man. Oh, sorry. Okay, today I have a question for you. It's a simple question.
Which one that is?
You want the question? Which country do you think is the capital of Africa?
On Kenya.
So Kenya is the capital of Africa.
Yeah.
Why do you think it is the capital of Africa? Oh, thank you. I have to sit here with you now.
What do I think it is?
What do you think is the capital of Africa?
Kenya. Kenya is
Why?
famous everywhere.
Kenya is famous everywhere.
Yeah.
Why? What makes it to be famous?
It's the only Kenya that it is the most famous country in Africa. That is.
Okay.
Social media, it is
And what I want to know what makes it famous.
TikTok. That is
So social media.
social media. That is
It's okay.
Yeah.
Followed by which country?
Followed by Nigeria, then South Africa.
What makes Nigeria to come the
You know
second
that
famous?
Where the rich guys come from. Nigerians
So
are
you
the
want to
rich,
mean
yeah.
that? So you want to mean that Kenya is not rich?
Nigeria?
Yeah.
You are behind.
And if we are behind, why are you saying that Kenya is the capital of Africa?
Being it that does not mean that you are the most famous.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
You guys, I think I should end this video with this cute guy. So make sure you subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Come here before we...
Wewe Madisha.
Kuja hapa.
Madisha mali kuja hapa bana.
Kuja hapa, tuko hapa. Uko aje?
Artist.
Niko poa.
Uko fiti?
fiti
Which country do you think is the capital of Africa?
I don't know.
You don't know the capital of Africa? Why? Oh my God. You better know. You better know.
Why?
Because we are learning. We want to show people the capital of Africa.
So I'm not a student.
This guy is rude, man.
You are very rude today. Okay, come we answer the question.
Okay.
Okay, which country do you think is the capital of Africa?
Okay, for real, I don't know.
Uh-huh. Even Kenya?
Point of correction.
A point of correction, uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Nairobi is the capital city of Africa. Kenya is the capital city of the world.
Oh my God.
How
Oh.
did I forget that, man?
Can you repeat that one again? Can you-
Nairobi is the
Uh-huh.
capital city of Africa.
Uh-huh.
So Kenya it is the capital city of the world.
Of the world now,
Yeah.
it's not of Africa.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Kenyans are everywhere.
Kenyans are everywhere.
Yeah.
Most of the generation Z.
Gen
The-
Z,
the-
that is.
The Gen Z.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Which generation do you belong?
Me, I'm a Gen Z.
You are Gen Z? So you were born the other day?
Not the other day.
Uh-huh.
Gen Z is from 1997.
Oh, you are very young then. If you belong there, you are very young.
I'm not young. I may be young, but I'm educated.
I know.
Yeah.
Okay, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, where are my other friends? I think they are coming maybe later.
No, they are not
They are not
allowed.
around. But anyway,
They have.
other
They are
activities.
representing Gen Z in the town.
Oh, today?
Yeah.
Oh, they're still there.
They have the meeting there.
Okay, I have to go. Ciao. Can we go?
Tuesday. I'll be there.
Tuesday. Oh, so guys, if you're watching this video, you know the capital of Africa. Make sure you comment down below. Let's hear what you think. Hi, bro. You also want to say hi? Which country do you think is the capital of Africa?
It's capital of Africa.
Yeah, the capital of Africa. Utaki kabisa.
Kuchanganya.
Kuja hapa utuambie hata wewe unapita pita. So guys, see you in the next one. Bye bye.